Do this to a man and he will beg for your attention. Are you looking for ways to make him beg for your attention? There are certain things that will make men beg for your attention. Following these tips can help create a fulfilling relationship where he will naturally crave more time with you. In today's video, we'll be counting down on our picks for top 5 things to do and a man will beg for your attention. Number 1. Smell good. One way to make a man beg for your attention is to always smell good. This can be achieved by taking regular showers and using scented body wash or soap. Additionally, wearing perfume or cologne can help to enhance your natural scent. It is important to note that every person's body chemistry is different, so what smells good on one person may not necessarily work for another. Experiment with different scents until you find one that works for you and enhances your aura of attractiveness. There's also the option of using scented lotions, hair products, and even scented candles in your living space to add an extra layer of allure. Overall, smelling pleasant can go a long way in attracting attention and earning the admiration of others. Number 2. Show them your confidence. One of the best things you can do is always show them your confidence. This doesn't mean being cocky or arrogant, but rather demonstrating that you believe in yourself and your worth. Showing that you prioritize yourself shows that you value yourself, which will make others value and respect you as well. Remember, a confident attitude can also act as a magnet for others, bringing new opportunities and potential partners in your life. In the end, showing confidence can only improve both yourself and your relationship. Number 3. Don't be too available. It can be tempting to constantly be available for someone. However, this behavior can actually have the opposite effect. Instead of making them appreciate you more, they may start to take you for granted. To keep things exciting and ensure that the next person values your time and attention, try not being too available. This can mean setting aside time for self-care and spending time with friends and family, making plans without involving them, or even simply not responding immediately to their texts or calls. Remember, healthy relationships require both parties to have their own independent lives and interests outside of the relationship. Allowing yourself space can ultimately make the next person crave and value your attention even more. Number 4. Compliment him casually. Compliments can go a long way. Showing appreciation for your partner's actions and accomplishments helps to strengthen the bond between you and reinforces positive behavior. But don't just save compliments for special occasions or grand gestures. Giving praise every once in a while for small actions can make all the difference. This could be as simple as complimenting the next person on how they handled a difficult situation, or telling them how much you appreciate their efforts in maintaining a clean household. The key is to make these compliments genuine, casual, and natural, not forced or contrived. They will not only feel appreciated, but will also strive to continue making you happy and earning your compliments. So next time you want to make your man beg for your attention, try throwing in a few well-timed compliments. They might just surprise you with their response. Number 5. Be mysterious. One way to keep someone engaged is to maintain a sense of mystery. This does not mean constantly lying or withholding information, but rather being selective about the details you choose to share with them. Keep them guessing and wondering about different aspects of your life and personality. Make plans without giving away too many specifics, and surprise them with spontaneous outings or gifts. By keeping things unpredictable and never fully revealing all of yourself, you will keep them wanting to know more and begging for more of your attention. Of course, it's important not to take this tactic too far, and make sure that the foundation of the relationship is built on honesty and open communication. But a healthy dose of mystery can certainly spice things up and prevent boredom. With this, we would like to end this video, and with the hope that you liked and enjoyed it. If you like our content, make sure that you like our video, and do share your views and opinions with us in the comment section below.